Greetings, Stewart families and community. Happy Friday. This was your weekly update for Friday, April the 16th, 2021. We had a fantastic week again here at school. We kicked off air testing. Our students showed up and worked very hard. Our students in grades K through 2 also did their absolute best in class. We're very proud of them and very happy with the work that we saw this week. I give this reminder every week, but remember, final forms registration is underway for next school year. Each family needs to do that. You have an invitation sent to your email with a link for final forms. And if you do need language support, Anna Martinez is available at the Princeton Administrative Center. Her number is 864-1117. Air testing will continue next week. We will do makeup testing on Monday and Tuesday for any students who are absent. And then on the 21st and 22nd, our fourth graders will take the math portion and our fifth graders will take the science portion. That does include remote students as well. We had a wonderful turnout with our remote students for air testing this week, and we are confident that that will continue into next week. Our students got a visit from Dr. Maxim earlier this week, principal of Princeton Community Middle School, and he went over what to expect as a sixth grader with our fifth grade students, but he also talked about our STEAM Bridge Camp Princeton Community Middle School is offering this summer. That is June 1st to July 1st, 8:30 to 3, Mondays through Thursdays, and it is open to any incoming sixth graders. So please register for this if you are interested in having your future sixth grader get to know the building more and get to know some students from other elementary schools, but also engage in some fun learning activities. iReady practice sessions will continue before school next week on Mondays and Wednesdays, and after school on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Students can work on their individual path work. Permission note is needed for the Tuesday and Thursday after school sessions. And our enrichment and intervention continues Monday through Thursday next week as well. Reach, which is additional evening support, is provided, so please see the newsletter with some sign-up links. There are virtual sessions that students can join to get extra help, and we have Princeton staff members there to provide that additional support in the evening. Our PTSO, or Parent Teacher Student Organization Walkathon, is going to be on Friday, April 23rd. It will be held during each child's phys ed class, so we will be enjoying the outdoors, doing some walking, and students have been asked by the PTSO to collect monetary pledges for their walking. We do have shirts coming for each student as well, and there will be some treats on the day of the walkathon. This will be a great event, and it's one of our major fundraisers for the PTSO. As you know, our Parent Teacher Student Organization does so much to provide additional activities and programming here at Stewart. Our Race to 1,000 lesson relay continues. We have one particular team out in the lead. That's Team 2 with Mrs. Jaspers, Mrs. Wrights, and Mrs. Hiller, but some other teams that are right behind them. So students can continue working on their iReady and getting points for the lessons that they pass. This has been your weekly update for April the 16th, 2021. Thank you for your continued partnership and support. Have a fantastic weekend, and as always, go Vikes.